So I didn't catch any fish. As you see, I tried for a long time. There were several other people fishing and I could not catch a single one. So I'm just not sure what the problem was there. But so I gave up on fishing and I said, you know, I'm already here. I want to have a good time still. I want to enjoy the rest of the day. So let me go hike down to the beach. It's quite a walk. And just see if I can find a shark's tooth, or maybe just, you know, enjoy the beach, enjoy the rest of the day. I go down to the beach, I hang out there for a little bit, take some pictures. I'm looking for teeth, can't find anything. I'm about to head out, and then I see this. Let me slow down for you. This right here. My biggest shark's tooth to date. I've looked for shark's teeth a lot of times. I found plenty of them, over hundreds, but never have I found one quite this big. So this is just a message to anyone out there who, you know, is looking, or not. This is a message to anyone out there who has gone fishing and just, you're having no luck. Just because you're having no luck fishing doesn't mean that you have to give up on the rest of the day, okay? Maybe you go for something else. Boom, it happens sometimes. If not, you know, enjoy the little things, enjoy the walk to the beach, enjoy the beach. If you don't have a beach, enjoy nature. But yeah, when I get home, I'll identify this tooth and then I'll let y'all know. But until then, I will continue walking because I still have a long way back. I have determined that the shark's tooth is a mako. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this one, let me know. Maybe I'll do some more shark's teeth hunting instead of fishing. It would definitely be suiting in this weather. But anyways, thank you for watching. Until next time.